Hi, glad you could join me again for my illustration tutorials, and welcome to this series on how to draw cartoon characters. Okay, the cartoon character this time is that wacky but lovable big mutt, Scooby-Doo. I'm going to go straight in with the pen this time. Okay, his little eyes at an angle and kind of egg shapes like that. One like that, looking out to the side. Another one here, and the little eyeball peeling out that side. Looks quite cute. And the nose will start from this part of the eye here, coming up, and then curve down. And at that point, I'll draw a big triangle for the nose, like that. And the rest of his mouth comes down. There's a middle line, of course, which you get coming like that, and the side of his muzzle comes like that, curved up, okay? And the next one will curve right up, almost to a level with that, and then you'll get a kind of cheek shape, and that'll be a line. A nice cute smile on his face there. And then a bit of chin underneath here, like that. And then on the top, a couple of eyebrows, one kind of raised like that, the other one like that. Okay, and the side of his face comes down about there. And then you have one ear coming up like that, with the inside of it coming in, and then another ear appearing kind of here and kind of folding over like that. Okay, the back of his head comes down in a curve like that, and this part of his neck comes down from his chin here. And underneath that you'll get a kind of wrinkle like that. Okay, and at this point we see the collar, which comes down at a slope, comes up like that, and there's a little kind of link to the metal around his neck. Comes up like that. Okay, a couple of lines on that, and then the metal itself is that kind of diamond shape. Okay, now his chest is kind of puffed out. That's the way he's kind of sitting looking. It comes out from that point there, in a big kind of curve, and it goes back in a line like that. And then the rest of his body comes down like that. And this side, you'll see that is like the top of his leg, like an elbow almost, coming out, coming down like that to his foot, which I'll draw in a second. Then we'll draw the other front leg coming down. There's the back there, and the other front leg starts about here. You get the shoulder appearing, coming down to where the elbow would be there, and carrying on getting narrower. Little indentation there, and then this kind of paw shape which comes up like that, with the shape of the paws there, and this other one comes in about there behind it. Okay, behind this one here you'll get a haunch shape with his back leg coming in, something like that, with his back paw showing there. Okay, and if you follow that line round behind his leg there, it comes out about here, I think, yeah, about there. Then the other haunch, which curves in down like that and appears like that, with these paw shapes coming in there, and then the rest of them coming in there. Okay, and then the tail curves like a big F shape, S shape rather, coming in like that. Now we can put the spots on. You got a big spot there, which will shade in. Another one on the top of his leg there, and his nose, of course, as well. I'll shade that in. Excellent. So there's Scooby-Doo looking as if butter wouldn't melt. We know that's not the case. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you can join me next time. But in the meantime, of course, all the best and happy drawing.